All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that you submitted an assignment correctly, or just to confirm that the assignment was received. So let's say it's Friday night, you know the deadline is midnight on assignments, and you're pretty sure you turned something in, but you're not 100%, so you want to check. So if you're on our homepage for Canvas, go over to modules. This is one way of doing it. You can go to modules, and in each one, you can find the page that says submit an assignment, submit your practice assignments for review week, or the current week that we're on right now is submit practice assignments for Unit 1A, which is in week 3. So if you need to check and see if you turned something in, go to that assignment you're actually interested in. So the week 2 assignment is obviously in week 2. The week 3 assignment is in week 3. So I'm going to go down here to the assignment just to see if I turned it in, because I'm pretty sure that I already did. All right, when you get to the actual assignment page, notice here how it says resubmit assignment. That's a perfect clue to you that you've already turned it in. If it just says submit assignment, that means that you haven't turned it in yet. You need to do it for the first time. So resubmit means you've already done it. You can also see right here that it says submitted, and it tells you when you submitted it. If you click on submission details, you can actually see what your assignment looks like. And check it out, I did it correctly. I embedded the document. I didn't just provide a link. I don't want to see that. Me as a teacher, I don't want to see just a link. I want to see that you've embedded your document, and it should look like this. So if you hit submission details, that allows you to go and see what you've actually done. You can even go in and add a comment if you need to, and that's your way of talking to me as your teacher about the assignment. Okay, another way that you can do this is go to grades, and it'll give you a whole drop down of all the assignments that we have in the term. Now, this can be a little overwhelming to look at because check it out. It has assignments for all of our modules. And so far, we've only seen 3 of them because we're only 3 weeks in. So don't feel like all of these should be done already. They shouldn't already be done because we're not there, but you're going to see all of them right away. Okay, so submit practice assignments for the review week. That's the one we just looked at. And notice here that it tells you when it was due, and I turned it in late. I actually just turned it in today, which was the 26th and not the 23rd. So it'll tell you if it was late. It also tells you if it was graded. If there's a little T here like this, it hasn't been graded, but it does tell you kind of the total points. Remember that I grade on a 4-point scale, so it should be out of a total of 4 each time. Sorry that these other ones are incorrect at the moment. I'm going to go back and need to change those. So let's actually click on that assignment and see what it shows us. Okay, tells me I'm a test student. That's because I don't actually have a student account. You do, though. It tells you what it was. It tells you that it was late and when you actually submitted it. That's great for you to know and also great for me to know. But remember, you never lose points for turning something in late, so don't stress. And then you can resubmit your assignment here if needed. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure why it doesn't show you the embedded document. So you may need to actually go to the assignment through the module in order to see how the assignment was turned in. So anyway, those are a couple of ways you can check and see that you've turned in an assignment and check to see that you've turned it in correctly.